First of all, starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Hello guys, it's me, the author of Spoken English Corner, your friend and tutor as well. Well guys, today I am here again for you with another topic, which is should. Let's take a start without wasting of your precious time. But before that, I will clear you that this lesson comes under the category of the series of modal verb as well, as I told you that our today's lesson is about should. First of all, that what is should, as I described here, that should is a modal verb. Beyond that, if you don't have any info about modal verb, that what is modal verb, so I will suggest go and watch my lesson on it, where I have defined that what does it mean by modal verb, and I also explained that how many modal verbs we have in English. Simply you can say that that was the introduction video about modal verbs. By the way, should uses as a helping verb in the sentence, as I have written here. Might you guys will confuse about that how should uses as a helping verb in the sentence, so you don't need to be worried, because I'm going to explain and I will clear each and every confusion regarding should here. Here I have made two examples through which I will clear your concept regarding helping verb. The first example is I should today. If you concentrate on this example, so you guys will not understand that what does it mean or what the writer is gonna say. And I also mentioned here don't have since. So you can also imagine from this short phrase that you will not understand that or what the writer is gonna say. I will clear your confusion regarding helping verb with the help of this example. If you put a glance on this example, we should get up early in the morning. So this statement is gonna convey the message properly, and you guys also understand what the writer is going to deliver. And I also described here have a since. I hope your confusion has been cleared regarding helping verb, because we can realize from this example that there is a main verb immediately after should, which is get. And you can also say the main verb. So here should is performing a role of helping verb in this statement. So I hope your each and every confusion has been cleared regarding helping verb, that how should uses as a helping verb in the statement. After this short explanation, another question is going to arise. Maybe you guys have the same question as well, but I'm going to clear it after some time. The question is like that the verb immediately after should, it is either in present, future or past. But you don't need to be worried, because I'm going to clear it. Please stay with me. I will give you the answer about this question in another portion, which is identification of tenses. What does it mean by identification of tenses? So it means that how can you identify the tenses when there is should in the sentences. So here I have made three examples through which I will explain that how you can identify the tenses when should came in those conversations or when should come in those conversations. So please concentrate here. I need your concentration. I should purchase a wristwatch today. If you concentrate here, so today is the sign of present tense. And moving ahead from the first statement, the second one is I should buy shoes tomorrow. So here tomorrow is the sign of future tense. The third one example regarding identification of tenses, we should have fixed the cricket match with our opponent team yesterday. So this example is pointing towards past tense, because here is the sign which is yesterday. That was the first method through which you will identify tenses when should comes in conversation. The second method through which I will clear it and through which I will make it more simple for you, if there is base form in the conversation. Here in those two examples, the first one is buy and the second one is purchase. When there is base form in the conversation with should, so it means that would be present tense or future tense. If it would be past participle in the conversation with should, so what does it mean? It means that it is pointing towards past tense. Now I am moving towards the main theme of today's lesson, which is about should, that how and where we can use should in our everyday conversation. I will clear it with the help of few examples. Through those examples you will understand that how and where you can use should in your everyday conversation, and after watching those situations along with example, then you guys will not feel any hesitation about using should in your everyday conversation. Well guys, as I told you that we use should for some specific situation, I described all of them here and I will teach you one by one. Let's take a start from the first one, advice. Here I have mentioned that advised has been divided in two terms. The first one is take and the second one is give. So what does it mean by it? The first one, take means when you are going to stuck at any situation and you want to get the suggestion or recommendation from someone, so there you will take a suggestion or you will take opinion from someone else and you will complete your conversation with the help of should. And give means when someone needs suggestion or recommendation, and so you are going to give a recommendation to him or her. With the help of should, you will complete your conversation. So simply you can say that through should you will express advice or you will give or take advice. That was short explanation about advice. So I will clear with the help of these two examples. So after these two examples you will be able that how to use should to express advice. The first one is you should take a bath on daily basis. Here a person is giving suggestion to someone, so it is linked with this one, give. And the second one is what should I wear in my cousin wedding ceremony? What should I wear in my cousin wedding ceremony? So here a person is confused that what to wear and go to his cousin wedding ceremony, so he is asking some opinion from someone. What should I wear in my cousin wedding ceremony? So that's all about advice. Now the second one is expectation. Expectation means speculate, or when a person is guessing or thinking about something. Here in this example a person is thinking about something to purchase and he just speculate with himself that shouldn't be cost more than $20. It shouldn't be cost more than $20. I hope this example will clear your concept that how to use should to express expectation. Now the third one is obligation. Obligation means you are supposed to do or you have to do. So the example on it, you should be punctual with your study. You should be punctual with your studies. The fourth one is duties. Duties mean responsibilities. You can also use should for expressing duties or responsibilities. I have made one example on it. We should respect our parents. We should respect our parent. So it means that with the help of should you can also express duties. Last but not the least, probability. Probability means chances. Probability means I have mentioned here chances, or you can also say it like something are possible to happen or something are possible to provoke. I have made one example on it. Adil should be at cinema any minute. Adil should be at cinema any minute. The chances of happening something. So that's all about today's lesson regarding should. If you have any confusion about should, so please let me know in the comments below. I will reply you there and will clear each and every confusion. And beyond that, if you want to get the written form of today's lesson, I mean whatever I have been taught today, so go and check out the description. I will put the link of it there. Just go through it from the start to the end, so it would be really helpful for you. Believe me, it would be really helpful and beneficial for you. See you next time in the next lesson, but in the meanwhile, don't forget to keep practice on all those situations which I have been taught. Goodbye and take care of yourself.